Hey guys, this is Brandon with the Millionaire Mindsets coming to you live with another great and informative video on how you can make money from home. In this video, guys, I'm going to be talking about a site called Instant Rewards, and I will put the link in the description box for you guys to sign up. But with this site, guys, you are basically earning $20 per free sign up. Now, you'll be taken to a site like this, and once again, I'll put in the description box. It's very simple, guys. You literally sign up, refer friends for free, and get rewards. This company, Instant Rewards, is a Fortune 500 company, so they're backed by a lot of big name companies like Netflix, DirecTV, Walmart, and they've been around since 2011, so it's definitely a credible website, 100% legit, and you will get paid. So $20 per free referral. They pay out through PayPal, through check, a bank check, so direct deposit based. Check in the mail, which takes about 3 to 5 business days. I always get PayPal because it's instantly. Or you could do a custom order with something else, but I always go with PayPal. So when you get taken to the site, you're going to scroll down and you're going to enter your email address, and you're going to go to the next step, fill out the basic details, creating the username, password, your mailing address. And that's basically it, guys. I already have an account with them, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Then you just soften the little capture they have here. Okay, so guys, once you log in, your back office will look like this. You'll keep track of your referrals right here. You do have to complete an offer, guys, which you only need to do it once. You don't have to do it every day, every month. You just have to complete an offer one time. So to complete an offer, you're going to go here to offers and complete an offer. So it's free to join. It's free to sign up. 100% free to sign up. But in order to start referring people to make the money, you have to complete one offer. And a lot of these offers are free. See, a lot of the offers you don't have to pay anything. They do have some good offers back here for you to complete, and I'm going to tell you guys a trick. Now, the offers you have to complete have to equal 1.00 credit, which is 1 credit. So if you were to complete 4 of these, you'll qualify for a whole credit. I just usually pay $9 like this one right here. And they'll give me my credit instantly. 1 credit you need to start referring. Like I said, you don't have to spend the $8.99, the $9. I mean, if you do with just a one-time payment, you'll get your credit instantly. You don't have to complete any other credits. But if you're doing a free credit, such as this Credit Karma, you have to complete 4 of them because this is 0.30 credits, but it has to equal 1. So you'll complete 4 of those, and that'll equal to 1 credit, a little over 1 credit. But I just usually knock it out the box. When I first joined, I just did this, paid $9 and, voila. You only have to do it one time. Complete the credit one time. Complete the offer one time to get the credit. So I'm going to tell you a little trick, guys. You sign up a referral for $20. Send them $9 to their PayPal or to their debit card. Have them sign up and complete an offer. Because they have to complete an offer in order for you to receive that $20 commission. Send them the $9. You still profit $11. So you have nothing to lose. You send someone $9, you receive 20 back. You basically just send them the money to complete this offer, and you're getting $20 instantly. You know, do that for multiple people, and, you know, you'll make your money back if they can't, you know, afford to pay it. But this is a great site, guys, just to make easy money. 100% legit. Once you sign up, you go here to finish your profile. If you ever need support, they have a support ticket, FAQ page. Pretty good, you know, program. Not going to make you rich, but, you know, definitely easy opportunity to put an extra, you know, $200-300 a week in your pocket, or, you know, possibly more. Again, guys, this is Instant Rewards, and I'll put the link in the description box. If you like this video, guys, please like this video, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I come out with videos on how to make money from home, because I do come out with them pretty often. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.